In this video, we are going to see a simple technique on how you can extract the zip folder or files in Windows 11. So this is very quick and simple tutorial, guys. So all you have to do is, let's say that you have downloaded some kind of software or file which is in zip form. So all we need to do is just right click here, wherever it is placed. It will show you something like this zip folder. So just right click here and click on extract all. And just choose your desired location and click on extract. By default, it will choose the same location where you have placed that document. So click on extract. So if it successfully extract this, that's good. But if it is showing you some error, what you can do is just use the WinRAR to extract that. So I'll write in Google WinRAR. Just go to WinRAR download free support. This is a free software. Click on download WinRAR and just click on download WinRAR again. Now it's showing the download link. Just choose the location, click on open folder, and the installation is pretty simple, guys. Just double click here, click yes, and click install. It will allow you to set all the associated files that can be opened with WinRAR. Just keep the default settings as it is and click OK, and you are done. Now if your current folder was showing you some problem and you cannot extract it directly, what you can do is just take the support of WinRAR. So just right click here, go to WinRAR here and click on extract to zoom it. This is a software. I want to extract it in the folder, and that's pretty much it. It can easily extract any folder or files in Windows 11. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you want to learn more about WinRAR or file extractors, you can join the playlist link in the description, where I have showed you how you can apply the passwords to your zip folders. So that's pretty much it. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.